Imagine two aircraft are approaching each other head-on. Both pilots see each other, and both need to act. But here is the exact question you will face on the DGCA exam. Who turns first, and which direction do they turn? Aviation traffic rules exist to create predictable, standardized behavior. If every pilot follows the same rule, the other pilot knows what is going to happen, and no one is left guessing in a critical moment. Regulations state that the pilot in command is responsible for the safe operation of the aircraft. Even if you have received an ATC clearance, you are not relieved of the responsibility to avoid other traffic and maintain safety. You can find resources to master these regulations at the Captain Aero Study Hub. Our platform offers free notes, practice MCQs, and video lessons, specifically for DGCA candidates. Understanding these rules is essential for the DGCA exam and for ensuring that every maneuver in the cockpit is predictable. Standardized behavior is what prevents collisions when seconds matter. In a head-on approach, both aircraft must alter their heading to the right. Examiners often use a trap here. Options may suggest aircraft A turns right while aircraft B maintains heading. That is incorrect. The rule requires action from both pilots. When two aircraft converge at the same altitude, the aircraft seeing traffic on its right must give way. Look closely. The pilot seeing traffic out the right side of their canopy must yield, altering course to avoid crossing ahead. These spatial rules rely on a clear line of sight. Identifying who has the visual advantage dictates who takes the evasive action, which prevents both aircraft from turning into each other simultaneously. Speed creates its own set of rules. An aircraft that is being overtaken has the right of way. The faster aircraft coming from behind must alter its course to keep well clear, while the overtaken aircraft continues on its path. For landing priority, lower aircraft generally have priority. However, there is an exception to watch for on the exam. A lower aircraft cannot use this rule to cut in front of another plane that is already established on final approach. This hierarchy ranks aircraft by maneuverability. Less maneuverable aircraft get priority. Powered aircraft must give way to gliders and balloons. A common mistake is assuming a large airliner has right-of-way over a small balloon. Priority relies on control limitation, not physical size. The right-of-way system prioritizes the aircraft with the least physical capacity to alter its own flight path. Keeping these regulations straight requires organizing them into clear categories, which is why we separate the question desk subjects on the Captain Aero website. Look at the split screen. On the left, VFR stands for Visual Flight Rules. It is a set of regulations. On the right, VMC stands for Visual Meteorological Conditions. It describes the physical weather outside. If a DGCA question asks what VMC means, and you select Visual Flight Rules, that is an incorrect answer. VMC identifies the weather condition that allows visual flight. The same logic applies to instrument flying. IFR stands for Instrument Flight Rules, which are the procedures you follow. IMC stands for Instrument Meteorological Conditions, which is the actual weather you are flying in. Conflating a regulatory procedure with an environmental condition is a deliberate distractor used to test whether you comprehend the terminology instead of just memorizing acronyms. Rapid review. Head-on, both turn right. Converging, right traffic has priority. Overtaking, overtaken aircraft continues. Landing, landing aircraft has priority, no cutting. Maneuverability, gliders win over powered aircraft. Vocabulary traps, VFR and IFR are rules. VMC and IMC are physical weather conditions. Here is a matrix summarizing these 7 rules. You can use this table as a quick revision guide to check your knowledge before the exam. Visit the Captain Aero Study Hub to begin with our free tier. For structured practice, you can access the question desk for 499 rupees, while our Navigation Master PDF is available as a separate guide for 299 rupees. Memorizing options is a fragile strategy. When you understand the logic behind the rule and apply it to the situation, you avoid the traps and build the skills of an exam-ready pilot. Fly safe.